Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js to do a video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim and in this tutorial we are going to create edit functionality, and it's a last video tutorial for this video series, to do a video tutorial series. So first of all, we need here, when we click on this edit pop-up, the model, sorry, that will be shown here, and inside a model same like this input field, and a button should be there. When we save, then the request is go to our firebase firestore, and the value is updated. So let's start. First we need here model. On click, the model will be appear. I'm going to Image Explorer, close app.js, and let's search here model. I'll use a simple model, this one. Just copy model and place here. Sorry. Instead of body, I'm going to use here, like, say div, and h1 hello model. So remove the description and on close. Let's see, this model is open. We have to take here in create here constant a hook, where we will use open and set open. Use state, not style. Make default false, and instead handle close, I'm passing here set open, means on close this model, make it false. That's it. And handle open, we have uh, create here handle open, and space here set open true, and this handle open on click we have to set on our edit button. Let's go here on click, handle open. Now make it save, but we have to import the model. Not here. If I expand the code, here we have a model. Just save it. Here we have one error, use state. Sorry, my bad. We have to import use state. Save. It's okay. Let's click here and see what happened. Now you can see here we have hello model. Sorry, we have here hello model, and now we have to give some style to our model. And first of all, remove this paper class it's giving here. You can see the padding too much. Mm, where it's paper, yeah, it's better remove this class from here, and I'm going to give in our model. Now perfect, it's coming. Now it's better than before. Now here we have our model and the spacing as well here. The next step, we have to give give the style to our model, and for that one, let's update or remove their this use style, and we're going to give here this style paper position absolute and width, as well the background color, and I'm going to remove and just save. If I click, now perfect, it's coming. Okay, but the position is top left. Let's make in center and give some space from left side and top side for that one. I'm going to give here class name, and it's to do model. So open our to do, create a new file, to do.css, and from top say 20%, make it important as well. Left 20%, important. Now we have to import this to do CSS. So import to do, sorry, contractory to do dot css from here. Now perfect, it's coming, and if I expand, not VS Code browser, it's okay. We have to pass here some more, give some more class styling, but at this time I'm not going to give here some more, okay, styling, but it's perfect and fulfill our requirement. Next step, we need here one input field and a button. So let's close this one. For input, const and create a hook, input and set input, use state. I'm going to pass here input string, and this input, let's create here, I'm going to pass here h4, update to do, okay, and next step we have to take here the form control. Okay, import this form control, and going to copy, form control, and also text field and a button. That's it. After that, also create a tag form control, and here form, and inside a form text field and a button. Save. If we go here, we have input field and a button. Okay. Color primary, and let's go and grab the properties of button and input field. We go to button and small button here, variant contained, and I'm going to pass the size. Save. Now perfect. And here we'll give also custom class to make some margin from left side. Class name, and here to do submit, and button type submit. In text field, let's go to our material UI, and text field API, here we have to import, which we already import. And if I go to in demo and text field, go to sizes, here we take this small and expand the code. So show this one. Here we have this label ID default value, and that's perfect. So ID 28 here, default value, will pass a default value, and size small label. Let's say update to do. Save, and see what's happened here. It's okay. Perfect. Now we have to give some margin from top, and we have to give some margin from this button from left side. To this form control, I'm going to give also here a class name, to do model, let's say form. Save. And in todo.css, here margin top 20 pixels. Perfect. Now we have to give a margin to this button from left side. We already passed a class for this button to do submit, and here margin left 20 pixels. It's okay. We have a model and a text field and a button for update. Now next step, our first step is complete. When we click here on this model and our field is coming here, now we have to pass here the value and fetch this value. So I'm going to remove this default value and I'm giving here a value. First is placeholder, and the placeholder is props dot todo dot todo. Save. To item. Yeah, actually we have to remove our label. The label is creating a problem. This is first to do is coming here, and if I click here, the update to do is coming. It's appearing. On click, then it's go. Now I'm going to remove the label. To do item, and if I click here, this is first to do. Now it's okay. Update to do. On click, then the placeholder is appearing our previous to do item. That's okay. And next we have to pass here the value. The value will be our input, so we have to set input, and then we will pass to our update method this value. And on change, definitely we have to update this input. Set input, then e dot target dot value. Just save. Now whenever we type here something, it's saving out in our to do. Sorry, not to do, in our input field it will store. Okay, perfect. Now the last step, on click this submit button, our to do must have a update. And for this thing it's better if we create one function, means on click it will work, and our database will be update. So here I'm going to create that function. Const and update to do. db dot collection, and we have there to do's, and inside we have doc props dot to do dot id, and after that we have to set our to do here. Dot set. We have to set here input field, means what we catch here, and it will store here in our to do which we created before. Field, sorry, this field, to do field. to do, then input. After that we have to make it merge true. That's it. And at the last, set input, make it empty, and set open, make it false. Go back to our app, to do app, and here, sorry, pass, we have to pass this on click in our update button. On click. Now complete the procedure of update. If I click here, before here we have the to do is to do item, to do item updated. Update. Now you can see here to do item is updated. If I go to in my collection, and you can see here to do item updated. Again, to do item updated to update here, and as well in our firebase. If I go back, and this is first to do, this is first to do updated, then update as well. It's update in our Firestore, and create here. This is third to do, and save. It's coming here. It's third to do, third to do update. Now perfect. If I go back in my to-dos, we have 3 to-dos, and we have here third to do update. So that's for this video tutorial series, where we create our to-do app project using React.js, and we create complete CRUD operation, store our database, and connect our app in Firebase. So that's all this video tutorial series. See you in next one.